Hi, my name is Danny Battle, and I'm an academic officer with Teacher Created Materials. I have over 20 years of experience in education as a classroom teacher, curriculum writer, manager of mathematics learning at the district level, and as an assistant principal of mathematics. I now work with teachers in districts all over the country to help them deliver engaging mathematics instruction. I was a summer school teacher and lead administrator for many years, so I know the different challenges that arise when creating engaging mathematics lessons for your students. And that's where TCM's new product, Summer Scholars for Mathematics, can help. So let's take a look at what comes in this box. The first item in the box is the teacher guide. Now, inside of this are 25 lessons that help with managing that summer planning and making sure that those engagement levels are high. Each lesson can have up to 120 minutes of instruction. They also offer whole group and small group instruction and independent work time. There's student-centered instruction that develops number sense, strong math tasks, mathematical discourse that cultivates deep conceptual understanding while also developing speaking and listening skills, and STEAM lessons that expose students to the engineering design process. This is a great addition to math learning because the engineering design process supports the understanding that failure or a need to reevaluate and redesign your solution is part of the learning process, because we know that a lot of times students need to be reminded that their solution path is just as important as their solution, and the mistakes are just opportunities to gain a deeper understanding. So these easy-to-use lesson plans have embedded supports like timestamps and grouping suggestions. For each section of the lesson, everything is straightforward, even down to the questions to ask to support students in their conversations. Next, we have the management guide, and this is filled with your pacing plans, discourse routines, and information about the engineering design process. Then there's the student guided practice book. This is filled with full color pages that offers room for students to use pictures, numbers, and words to show their thinking. They also have copies of the math tasks that they will work on with partners and pages for them to create their STEAM design challenges. What I like is that every page that students need for each lesson can be found right here. So teachers won't have to come in early to wait in line at the copy machine. And every one of these pages is available digitally, so you can project them, share them with the learning management system, have students work on fillable pages in the technology center, or print them on demand. There are also 12 task cards for each grade level that focus on the mathematical practices and processes while giving students a strong and relevant question to work on with a partner to create that authentic mathematical discourse. This is where those routines found in the management guide are used so that students of all levels can work together to solve these math tasks. I love these task cards because they also come with extensions questions for students to dig even deeper into the content. Now, in this kit, you will also find these 10 classroom readers for your library. These give a real-world understanding to the different math concepts. These engaging books make math more accessible to students and more relatable to their real-world experiences. For example, students may be learning about measurement and length while reading and learning interesting facts about lasers. These books allow students to see that math is all around them and that it's used everywhere. Now, out of these readers, 3 of them are actually Smithsonian STEAM readers, and these are used to support those fun STEAM challenges found in each lesson. Depending on the grade level, students will be creating things like a bridge for a teddy bear or a butterfly habitat. Each reader has an engaging challenge to make summer school more fun and interesting. Everything that you see here is available digitally on the TCM Content Cloud. Easily download everything from the teacher's guide to the task cards to the readers and the student pages. There's also digital fluency games that can be downloaded for students to play when they have completed their independent work. We know that as you're preparing for summer school, many needs arise, and we want to make sure that Summer Scholars Mathematics meets those needs with everything in this box. And we hope that it makes your summer school just a little more fun for your students and your teachers.